Alright guys, so we just finished doing the dyno tune on this motorcycle. I want to say that we did not perform the work. This motorcycle is done by a shop out of Beeville, Texas. We'll go ahead and put the information down below. So I'm not going to give you too much information on this build because of the customer's request. So it's a 128 cubic inch. It does have some nice zipper heads, 70mm throttle body, a Maxwell cam, Maxwell lifters, SNS cam plate, oil pump, push rods, Freedom cycles, exhaust pipes. It did very well. This had a Power Vision installed and tuned with a Power Vision. So the first initial run was 142 horse, 144 torque. Pretty bad right there. You can see the AFRs. So then we ended up doing a little bit of tuning, and we ended up with 155 torque, 155 horses, 156 torque. The graphs are really nice, real smooth. Look at that torque curve. It's crazy. So we have it stopping at 6,000. It already had started dropping off a little bit. So there was no reason to put more pressure on the motor. So there's a little wave there on our air fuel ratio. And the other one is pretty straight. Goes straight almost all the way across. Very, very happy with this. So this is 128 cubic inch. Made 155 horses, 156 torque. We want to thank Tom and Steve for letting us do this. So we'll put the information down on their shop. If you guys have any questions on this build, feel free to give them a call. Thanks for watching, guys.